Pilogo no.
Morning, Nyangi. Wako kwenye dola. Aichi Semjer. Nyakapunya. Good morning, Nyakapunya. Mugendo kwenye dola. Jebu. This is a morning vibe. Sayo. Ipo siku za vite. Mugendo kwenye pingine dola. This is a morning vibe. Yeah. Mugendo kwenye dola. Legend to the world. Mugendo kwenye dola. I see they know. Morning they know. Luo benga. Yeah. Jessinga. Master One also in the vibe. Oh yeah, this is a morning vibe with Makamugenda J Big also in the vibe. This is a morning vibe, guys. Morning, everyone. Engineer, also in the vibe. Visanga baby, Wageki. Idi babai, Frida Narie. Good morning, King J. Good morning. Come now, yeah. Fungua gari. Alito mam. Good morning. Abito ya, good morning, Frank. Titus, good morning. Abito, good morning. Frank, good morning. Good morning. Titus, good morning. Good morning. Frank Baba, good morning. Baba Johnny. Titus, yeah. Good morning. Frank, good morning. Have you seen Nyatiti? This is a morning bye. Yeah. Good morning, Titus. Good morning, Umea Mugabe. Hello. Remember this Saturday. Yeah, when you're Kenny, I'll be done, Mama. Frank, good morning. I'll be done, Mama. I'll be done, good morning. How is your night? Yeah, wake up. I'll be done, wake up. Titus, wake up. Kumekucha, kumekucha, kumekucha. Abito, kumekucha. Hello, Toby, Toby, bye. Toby, yeah. Have you seen Komnyalu? Abito, have you seen Komnyalu? Have you seen Komnyalu? Ajomo, Titus Baba. Have you seen Komnyalu? Komnyalu, yeah. Oh my Komnyalu. Kenny, Mendo Fanyamai, Dai Baba, Titus Agondani, Morning Mumbai, Abito Agondani, yeah. There is a new Jolu, Oduo, Manaskia, Jolu, Jolu, Yatiti, Jolu. This is a morning vibe. Mama, jump on, jump on, yeah. I wanna come to you, yeah, come to you. I wanna come to you, I wanna come to you, I be to the end of the day. Tibete come. Tibetan Motai. Hello. In the Yopieri, Tonya Logo, Otiato. Good morning, Yapap, good. Yapap. Omera Yapap. Hey, I like that name. Aworo. My Komnyalu, sweetie poisoner. I Jalu, yeah, Abito Jalu, sweetie. Oh Jalu, Abito. Have you danced Nyatiti? Have you danced Nyatiti? Nyatiti tum Jolu, music tum Jolu. Nyatiti tum Jolu. Mawero luo, inuo, yakwaru luo, namogi machaluo, mugendo punya Kenny, ha ha, Bito Mama, yeah, Bulawa, Otenga, 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 Usto, Steady, punya Kenny, yeah. Yato budo keni, mugendo fuenya keni, yato majalu, yasia ya lego keni, yeah, yaboro pakanyo, mugendo fuenya keni, yeah, no ya pare mani, abito tago, ida konyuol to yuak, alo. No back on you all to you are yeah. Kulimwa, good morning. Kulimwa, good morning. Lena, good morning. P1. No back on you all to you are Yawa Kumlega. Okana dogi kidu. Yeah. And I gotta give it to good. Oh, Yawa give me low. Wololo kom jaluo. Yeah. Ofuenya keni majalo. Kevin. Kevo male. This is a morning vibe with Maka Mugenda, guys. Male Kevo. She was yeah, Mwangi. I see Mwangi in the south. Odenga majulu. Oseke kongu jolu. Hello. Abuza kongu jolu. Ojanga kongu jolu. Yalu alu, yalu alu. Hello, the host also in the vibe. We gonna. Yeah. Keep on watching. Put down your comment, guys. I see box Max. How you Box Max? This Maka Mugenda, Jemerix. Also in the vibe. Jemeric Fick. Also. Jemeric Fick. Morning, Jemeric. Yeah. Morning, Jemeric Fix. Morning, Jemeric Fix. I wanna make you a day more. I wanna bless you a day with a happiness. Jemeri Fix. I wanna bless you a day with a happiness. Omar, good morning. Jemeri Fix. A person, good morning. A person, good morning. Bye. Jemeri Fix. Jemeri Fix. Yeah. Jemmy, can you dance? Jemeri Fix. Omar, good morning. Omar, good morning. Omar, good morning. Omar, good morning. A person, good morning. Yeah, get your crop, see. Yeah, Mugendo fuenya keni. Mugendo fuenya keni. Good morning, a person. Yeah, let me talk with a person. Omar, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. I see there's a guy on YouTube, Abnon. Thank you so much. Keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. It's a very special morning with Maka Mugenda playing an instrument called Hianya Titi. It's a traditional instrument, guys. Yeah, if you want to buy, also I sell them. So the guys, for those who are watching, today I wake up very early in the morning, have to do some exercise, running around 3 kilometers, coming back in the home. After that, I have to do some things. So, okay, for those who are watching, I want to explain for you what I'm doing. Okay, the instrument is called Nyatiti. It's a Luo instrument from western part of Kenya. I'm in Kenya. Yeah, okay. Kenya is in Africa. And the song right now, I was sleeping last night, and I just get some spirit telling me to remember our tradition. Yeah, by this time I say our tradition, I mean I have to remember my grandfather, my fourth grandfather, what they are doing, what they normally do long time ago. So that's the main reason why I came up with this song. Komnyaluo. This is a traditional stool. Yeah, I'm just trying to singing about traditional stool. We call it Komnyaluo. Komnyaluo. The traditional stool, our traditional stool. Yeah, by the time you visit any old man or any older man, they have their chamber. So when you enter in the chamber, you will see they have one stool there with three legs. I don't know, I think 3 legs. Yeah, so that one we call Komnyaluo. So today I was just trying to compose a song to my fourth grandfathers. Yeah. Come on. My God, Komnyaluo, Komnyaluo. Good morning, Tiger. Good morning, Tiger. Bye. Johnny. Jameri Fix. Jameri Fix. Good morning. Jameri, good morning. Tamara, good morning. Yeah. Aben, good morning. Jameri Fix, good morning. Ara. Dogo Babai. Dogo Babai. Kadra. Break Baba. Niroda, good morning. Ara. Aben, good morning. Jose, good morning. Reda. Oduol, Odunga. Domwangi, good morning. Queen of Peace, good morning. Manu. Jike, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Queen of Peace. Father Johnny. Kevo. Yeah, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Abarigani. Yeah, Komnyaluo. Have you seen Komnyaluo? Komnyaluo. Omodi Baba. Komnyaluo. Have you seen Komnyaluo? Yogo Komnyaluo. Weka Kevo. Karanja Bab Nyamwalimu. Engineer Matiai. Have you seen Komnyaluo? Have you seen Komnyaluo? What Kisumu? Have you seen Admira? Odongo. Wolno Komnyaluo. Kom Iendarit. Yeah. Trilex Omera. Yeah, Chief Baba. Chief Odunga. Odunga Babali. Odunga Ba Kamuma. Tap the screen, Winnie. Yeah. We love. Get one moja. Masimama. Abdi also in the vibe. Tumujolu. Have you danced Tumujolu? Oh, Angla Tumujolu. Cute mo. That's my weak point. Abebo. Yakindu Mamali. Yakindu Captain Dennis. Have you danced Tumujolu? Have you danced music from Jolu? From Luo Jamere? Jaluo, yeah, Jaluo, yeah, yeah, Jaluo, Mama B, Odimu, morning Brayo, ha ha, think big. Titi Tumujolu. Hello? They gonna pay for you, ya Titi. These are Luo instruments. The name ya Titi. You're free. Yeah. Kambala Tumujolu. Have you seen Nyajaluo? Have you seen Nyajaluo? Dennis. Jamerific dancing, my brother dancing, Emma. Odimo miela calvo, ya e kumjulu, yeah, Makali, hello, Makalidia. Jojo, Makale, Kidole, Makale, Ken Kim, Ken Baba, Jeremy Baba, Kamau Jai, Kamau Baba, Roti, Odimu Monka Baba, Yofi. Jemo Babale, Komnyaluo, yeah, I Jaluo, Janyali Jaluo, Yara Jaluo, Jaluo, Ogasan, yeah, Komnyaluo, Mugenda Ma Jaluo, you gonna dance, you gonna dance. Omera, you sis tena bwana. Bwana mimi niko single bwana. I'm enjoying. Guys, keep on watching this Maka Mgenda. Ken. Ya shemeji. Bwana bwana. Hapo kwa shemeji. Bwana, I'm still enjoying this life of being single, man. everlasting. Jacob morning. All Chang. I see editor also in the vibe. Morning Dickenso. Mima mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Niko mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Shemeji Kenomera. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Ana aliponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Ana Karo. This is a morning vibe with Maka Mugenda. I see TV. Okay, useme baba. Fatuma, morning Fatuma. Fundi. Anna, yeah. Sandra, Ondisa. I want the something, yeah. Mukwabi Volens, keep on watching. Simano, Budabi. Ana aliponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Odiambo. Award banu piende. Hello, there's a lady by the name of War. I see someone by the name of War in the vibe. Sino mkadoe. Just keep on watching. After this, you have to check on YouTube, subscribe, guys. Award donango. Nyagi. Eyo mera, there's a beautiful engineer nas. Eyo, award. Ahora. Pasó. Dawn. Okay, usted me lo vaya. Ahora. Ay, ahora. Ya tengo kata tinto. Budabi. Tino kata tinto gire. Oyao kabugo. Yeah, I know that lyrics, but I will not play. Ati awor ban piende. Yeah, done. Right now is morning. Awor, you have to ban piende mera. Omera tapped up the screen. Yeah, Koli Oyubi. Levanda. Awor. Yawahura. Awor. Karo. Amura. Kanubinde. I see a bit. She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman, she works. Her father was a tough man, he worked. Now a hello, yeah. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you bobbing? Are you dancing? Are you riding? Yeah! John, push also in the vibe. Magis melody. Set! Are you dancing? Set! Are you jumping? Are you live, Mexica? Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you walking? Are you here? Now I went to school. Now I went to the city. Now I went to Nairobi. Now what she's a university. Now what a mellow go, but her father want to be a doctor. She like dancing, but her mother wanted to be. Yeah. The dawn also in the bar. Massive. Morning, massive. Morning, yeah. Morning. Samu Oyola. Chief Injector. Sa Israel also in the bar. You know, Babare. A paso. Commit. Hello. Are you dancing? Yeah. Hero. More. Hero. Yeah. Hero. Yeah. I love it. Haha. Hero. Shit. Kevin. Yeah. Morning of our soul. Tap the screen guard. No, Julie. To our no. Dan, you are to our no or Julie. Our girl recommend your mera. On give my check, Yatewa. Yeah. Sonny, keep on watching this Makamugenda. It's a vibe. Check on YouTube, subscribe. There's a lot of things to see on YouTube, guys. The video mode. Dan with mama. Ojane. Thank you so much, Apostle. Doing this salsa. Let's continue. I see my body. Masha. Dan. There's a Saturday. Allah Irene. No more sinner. Van Road. Yoga. Sana de Mokoni. Yeah, Limwangi. Limwangi. How me dana. be Dala. Dala, 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 Dala. Yeah. Limwai. Dala gonna. Dala gonna. Dala tunakulangege. Dala tunakulangege. Yeah. Kisumu, Charlie. Pimo. Yeah. I'm gonna be Dala. Yeah. Jessica also in the vibe. Dala no konye. Haha. Limwangi. This Dala. Yumbari. Yeah. Yumololo kiri. Yelele njeri. Opita. Otiato. Opito neno tona. Pita neno miel. Abaso. Yo. Haha. It goes. Lana. Landing also in the vibe. Uchieng mudumama. Uchibone no miela. Jaro soja. Jaro baba. Jaro SK. Jaro bululu. Yeah. In course. Maxwell also in the vibe. It is a morning vibe. Before you go outside, you have to relax with the morning vibe with Maka. Peter Otiato, keep on watching, guys. It's a morning vibe. Yeah, Kennedy. Kennedy Uma. The instrument is called Nyatiti, a person. In Goslana, the instrument is called Nyatiti. It's an instrument from western part of Kenya. Ket, also with the vibe. You know, Goslana away from Coach Dan. Where are you from in Goslan? In Goslani Fatma. Abebo Nyakindu. Hey, Nyateno Timo yao. Hey, Ochie. Claudia. Katian, morning Katian, morning Katian, Osiepa, morning Katian, Ochibo, Claudia Nero, Pula Yato, Katian, hey, Very Lochien. Yeah, that's fine. Katian, Apason. Good morning, Katiano. Yeah, Abdallah. River Cruza. Oxen. Ungana kufanya. Agora gato. Katian. She gonna dance for me. Ricky Baba, good morning. Apason. Ha. Can you dancing, ya teacher person, ya mention my name, Agina. Claudia, Claudia Nene Buddha, Uchiek, Claudia Nene Buddha, Uchiek Nene Buddha, Claudia, ya ver Nene Buddha, tu mare, a paso. Have you seen it, Claudia? Jaber, ah, Jajalu, yeah. So, we went crazy on the vibe, crazy Danny. Have you seen Claudia? Have you seen Claudia? A paso, where are you? Crazy, Dan, crazy. Yeah, yeah, Mwangi, welcome Dala, Karibu Kisumu. Yeah, tukona Ochieng, kwezi, apa sono soindeva. Yeah, Lili Mwangi. Hello, this a morning ride. Karibu Kisumu, tukuya diambo. Ay, Kerbais. Yeah, I see Kerbais. Mwani, Abazondas. Yeah, I hear dance. Kerbais dance. Yeah, Jugiri, Wolono, I Wolono, Ababale. Yeah, we gonna zombie. Yeah, ha ha. Yeah. Alo kulawai. We gonna, we gonna dance, we gonna chini. Yeah, ha ha. Hello, we gonna, my God. Jason Kata. Welcome guys, it's Makam Ganda with Nyatiti Morning Vibe. Check on YouTube, subscribe. How are you? Takia. Claire. Limwangi. Yeah. She like alcohol. I meet a beautiful lady one day. Maganji. I meet a beautiful one day. Imotama. Ah. Yeah. Rita. Jijo. Anapenda pombe. Anapenda pombe. Limwangi anapenda pombe. I met a beautiful lady one day. She like alcohol too much. Yeah, she don't need my car. I like, yeah, napenda pombe. Nyano nyango, napenda pombe. Hello. She told me, Maga, I like to drink alcohol. I was really confused, Maga. Nana, I was really confused, Maga. She likes alcohol. She smokes weed. Hey, like a bamboo. What's from you? Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Kezia. Not Samai. Ulolo Makalele. Yeah. Oh Bombay. Oh Bombay. Hey now. Oh Bombay. Apason. Oh Bombay. The lady is more beautiful. Was the instrument name is Konyatiti. The lady where I meet once more beautiful, more beautiful. Yeah, she like to drink, she like to buy other whistle. I'll add a lot, no problem. Yeah. First time I introduced this lady to my mom fell mad into me. My mom was mad to me. Yeah, done wrong. Why? I asked my mom why. Yeah. My mom told me, Maga, I want a better life for you. I want a better life for you. Run! Tomato! And I played a Bombay. She like alcohol. Yeah! Yeah! Bombay. Oh Bombay, oh Bombay, oh Bombay, don't get high. Oh Bombay, oh Bombay, if you are, oh Bombay, oh. This is a vibe, guys. It's a morning vibe, guys. Check on YouTube, subscribe also. It's Maka Mugenda playing instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is thanks so much. There's Maka Mugenda. Congratulations, thank you so much, my brother. Yeah, subscribe on my YouTube channel for those who are watching. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda playing instrument from western part of Kenya. When I say western part of Kenya, I mean along Lake region, along Lake Victoria, Nyakulang. Gar also in the vibe. Gar cool, Nyakulang also in the vibe. This is a morning vibe, guys, with my Mary also. I see. Thanks so much, Mary, for joining the vibe. Yeah, just 1 minute, guys. I want to recharge my bundle from Sri Lanka. Thanks so much, guys from Sri Lanka also is watching, guys. Just be patient. 1 minute. I want to recharge my bundles. Don't move. I was recharging my bundles, guys. I go now, guys. Bro, I was recharging bundles. Right now, I'm back in full swing, guys. Let's continue. Shaban also in the right. baby girl, I wanna take you to McDonald's so we can have some pizza. If you don't like McDonald's, I wanna take you to the Ani, ili tule upepo bahari. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah. Oh my baby girl, I wanna take you to the Ani. Are you ready? Jacob! Amazon is my best of the best. Milatori. Oh, Amazon, I wanna take you to the Ani. You better come to the Ani. Yeah? Are you ready? Chichi also in the vibe. Amazon, I wanna take you to the Ani. Hello, from Kenya as well, land of love. Yeah, Limwangi, Nim Kenya, Limwangi, my brother, Nim Kenya, Kenyan citizen. Limwangi, Empire Black also in the vibe. Adi Juasa, yeah, Adi Juasa. Baby girl, I wanna take you to the Ani. I don't know if you don't like the Ani. I wanna take you to Kisumu. You can see Adiambo. You gonna take the love here in Kisumu City. Yeah. We gonna dance, oh. We gonna bambo. Guys, after this, check on YouTube, subscribe, the same name, Maka Mugenda. We gonna Zambo, yeah. Nyala, oh nyala, Amilo, Nyaboy, oh, yeah. Kumutai bena, Kimutai, yeah. Maybe for summer, okay? Just come to Triani. Yeah, I'm gonna Triani. I don't take. I wanna take her to Triani. Morning, Amilo. Yeah, Nyaboy, Budo, Nyaboy. Hello, Amilo dance. Yawa miela. Yawa miela nanya titinari. Yeah. Wololo, Amilo, wololo, Amilo, Amilo malu, Amilo bende miela. A person on the vibe, a person on the vibe. Yeah, mwanaume. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. Right now, I'll just be in a break for a while, guys. Yo, move. I'll be back very shortly. I have to tune the instrument. Check on YouTube, subscribe. Oh, na na na. Okay, useme. Yeah, thank you so much. It's Maka Mugenda, Claudia Ochieng. Yeah, this is Maka Mugenda playing instrument called Nyatiti. I really appreciate your time, guys, for those who are watching. Right now, this vibe, I see people are watching on YouTube. Keep on watching this Maka Mugenda, the black man from Africa, Omera, Africa. You know black is beauty. Yeah, this is my weak point, Omera. Black like her father. Can you win Jamaber? Mwanaume. Yeah, how are you? Sigma, how are you? Long time, bro. Where have you been, man? Where have you been? It's been a long time since I see you. Some few months, I don't know. Sigma, you have been my good friend, Omera. Tell me, how are you doing? Are you fine? Yeah, I'm just continuing the vibe. Don't move, Sigma. I'll be bad. Just don't move.
I want to stretch just 1 minute. It's better to stretch. I want to stretch, guys. Hey, bwana hiyo kitu inawezeka bwana. Matako bwana ikae kombo. Poa. Amuka. Anda kali. Tukapiga karipo, karudi. Tukaoga. Sasa hizi ni kusukuma hii watch hour. Watch hour. I got too much. I know you. Hii watch hour lazima bwana. Sasa tukiomoka tunasema bwana huyu jamaa anajiringa. Huyu jamaa pia anaringa. Sasa kirudi nyumbani wanasema kijana ni kama ameingia Illuminati. Sasa hii ni Illuminati. Okay. Okay guys, keep on watching. Let them talk, guys. Thanks so much. I want to tune the instrument first. Well tuned. Let me go back. Yeah, just keep on watching. Later, guys, keep on watching. This is Maka Mugenda. Very special vibe. I'll be just killing you with the vibe every day. This is our weak point, guys. For those who are watching, as usual. Watching. That's a very cool music. Music for mature people. Wow, guys, Maka Mugenda. Baraka House, also in the vibe. I see a person, Rojo, Naniswa speaker, Nabiswa speaker, speaks also in the vibe. Machete. L50, Elifa, yeah. Muyaka. I see also Naomi in the vibe. Whoa! Virginia also in the vibe. Katri Ayeko. Nobungu Baba Lele. Kasuku. Ari Kazuku. Good morning. Abazon good morning. Yeah, Catherine Ayeko. Ayeko yari. Ayeko awo. Imutai. Meri Meri. Meri 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 Meri. Buddha wani. Nabariga. Ayeko nyati. Ayeko nyati jolu. Yeah. Catherine Ayeko. Climax. Walulu Babali. Kasuku Enterprise. Catherine Ayeko. Prince also in the vibe. What? Kisumo? I don't know. Kisumo. Josephine. Yeah, Kizito. Kizito Babalo. Now Benoit. Lucy Warrior. Catherine Ayeko. Ayeko, can you dance?
Ayeko, can you dance it? Kizito miela miela. Yeah. Yawa miela miela. Ah, miela 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 miela. Ah, miela 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 miela. Dando. Fundi cheza kidogo. Ha ha. Nisana. Mary. Etumoroma. Yeah. Classic Martin. King of Darkness. Wow. Anita Joycana. What Kisumo, what Kisumo. Bless my God. Yeah. Yeah. Jeffy, Joey. Yeah, I love. Love Mose also in the vibe. We gonna dance General Samoro. Rap on the vibe. Yeah. This is a Saturday vibe. You dance. This is a Saturday vibe. I'm Mary. I see Chief Dr. Victor. Where is a person? Chikombe Evans Osiri Engineer. I see you. Put down your comment, guys, for those who are watching. Buff also in the vibe. Buff also in the vibe. Buff. Yeah. Go down. Samodiamo. Anyulo tamo. Go down. Yeah. Hello? If you're enjoying. I don't know if you're enjoying. But also the vibe. Yeah. Dance. Blue. Hello? Chan. Udakulanya titi. Handsome. Yeah. Willie. Ayekon, you can more. Ayekon. Hey. Hello. Hey. Yogi. Ayekon. Kulawaya. Twin this out. Yeah. Ayekon. You have to start your day. Mugonga. Ayekon. Sasa Katerina Yeko Nyakwar Muga Yeah Charlie You gonna know the video dagi We gonna Yeah Justin This now very fast Odu Yedi Yeah, Nyakwar Muga. Igana donge binyo dagi. Yeah, they have wild queens. They have got confused. Ha ha, sorry. Yeah, Yatiti make me confused. Maganini. Legend of Hera. I am dancing. Okinyo. Shadi. Gana donge binyo dagi. Yeah. Gana donge binyo dagi. To bongo family. Oh my dance. Hey. Abuana sifiwe apostle. Hello. I ain't gonna do for you. I sell 20,000 and you wanna do for you. 20,000 I gonna do for you. Yeah. Nyatiti I sell 20,000. Yeleba. If you love Nyatiti, say wawa. Hello, Bongo. If you love Nyatiti, say wawa. If you love Nyatiti, yeah. If you love Nyatiti, say wawa. Johnny, hey, Johnny, hey, Johnny. Yeah. Ulawai. Jeru. A person down. Billionaire. You mock up. Yeah. The wild have refused Omera. Why? Monchendo Aviation. Johnny come out. Get hello. Yeah. Today I join. You want Nyatiti? Inbox me. I have them a lot of Nyatiti. A person. And also I give classes if you want to learn. Bobo. You gotta don't get pino doggy. Yeah. Gotta don't get pino doggy. Ulawai. Ha ha. Go down low. Yeah, Mark also in the bar. Gonna kill the shorty. Gonna bam. Ha ha ha. Yeah. They have Wilkins. They have already refused. Yeah. I don't know why I've refused. Gonna Sasa. Sheriff. Sherry Bamba. Sherry Kona Mara Sherry. Gonna be the Gulo Mara. Say yeah. Say wawa. Say maga. Hello. Yeah. Wow. Check on YouTube bwana. If you are serious, you want Nyatiti, I have Nyatiti. Yeah. We're gonna talk. If you want, just inbox me. Sheriff, thanks so much guys for those who are watching. This is Maka Muganda. Boof all. Yeah, this is Maka Muganda. D Maria. I have to take water, bwana. Baraka. Yeah. You have to start your Saturday. Wow. With Nyatiti. Let's continue. No, I don't want to play that one. No. Kisila. How are you, Kisila? Mjanja. Entertainers, teachers. Thank you so much. My name is Maka. I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Spoil happy life. I wonder why why no Fatuma. Yeah, I wonder why nobody don't like me. Fatuma. Yeah, there are goddess. Leave my whole house on home, my children don't want me no more. But donkeys are in the house they bring when I come they start sing. The rap goddess, you gonna dance. Yeah, gonna dance, gonna zombie, gonna bang bang, gonna yeah. The rap goddess gonna dance, gonna shake shake, gonna bang bang, gonna ah yeah. If you don't know, you don't know. Forget about it. I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Yeah. This is a traditional instrument called nyatiti. Ah, leave my whole house and all my children don't want me no more. But donkeys and the house they bring when I talk they start to sing Mama Luka Boo Day. Yeah. Mama Luka Boo Boo, they shout their mother, tell them shut your mouth, that is your daddy. Oh no, my daddy cannot be ugly, so shut your mouth, go away. Hey, hey. Yes, can't even digest my supper due to the children's behavior. Yes, back, come here moment. Bring the belt, you might it dealt. You say, so you start this first. Jim says, you don't hear. I brought the belt from down and place. Tony Daniela, work it soon. Mama, Luka, Dede. Mama, Luka, Dede. Goddess Rapper. Yeah. Israel also in the bar. Tony, yeah. Daniela, Bololo, Bololo. I saw to the matter. Yeah, the God, the rapper goddess. Anaskia mustari omera, goddess rapper, gonna rap, yeah, gonna bang bang, gonna rezo, roach, gonna dar, gonna Omalu, yeah, Omalod, Mama Luka Bude. Yeah, guys, this is Maka Mugenda. Check on YouTube for those who have not checked. Eriko Tierto. Thanks so much, guys, for joining this Maka Mugenda. Yeah, I gave you the vibe. We call it Nyatiti vibe. This morning vibe with Nyatiti. Yeah, with Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low instrument from western part of Kenya for those who are watching. When I say western, I mean along Lake region. This is what we do there. Brother to Baba, what how high you see. You know, I start to play while in school. I start playing instrument while in school. And on music, nice. Come on, guy. I see Highland. Yippee. Tony Daniel also in the vibe. Baraka. And on music. Zenga, Eronio Zenga. Yeah, Tony Daniel Douglas also in the vibe. Son, goodbye, Eronio Zenga. No, so what do you we can't some call era da glow. My benzilele, my benzilele, my benzilele, yeah, my benzilele, yeah. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Some people cannot sleep without saying ba 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 Rabia, no mama. Sometimes at the end, love has a I can't without you. I'm a happy single mother. Yeah, Gori, Moriongori. I'm a happy single. In the beginning, Uduri, Mado, love is so sweet, Junior. Some people cannot sleep. Say, mama, to the alava, mama, Frank, yeah. Sometimes at the end, love us separate. I can't say without you. Yeah, Kaluma, Kalumbe, I can't say without you. Mabaraka, by that point. I'm a single mother, I'm a happy single mother, I'm a happy single father. Yeah, my benzilele, I'm all love is so sweet, love is so powerful. Yeah, love is so powerful, my brother. Love is so powerful. Yeah, my penzi way, my penzi yeah, my penzi yeah. Aha! If you love somebody, don't my penzi lele Steve, my pole dance, gonna bang 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 bang. Yeah, teach me. Sharif, kill me now with the gift guy. Tap the screen. Songe, Dirashi. I see coming. Dirashi, do you love somebody? Imeni Shinda. Ha ha. Tony. Sinanga bahati napata players na mimi player tunachezana. Yeah, Niraje ni Brenda British Empire also never. Mapenzi lele, mapenzi lele, mapenzi yeah. Tunachezana, yeah, yeah, Mimi ni Iniesta, haha, Sonia, Kanungule, Amori, tap the screen, guy, Mami. Yeah, love is so painful, guys. Keep on watching this Makamugenda. If you want to love, just love. Me, no. I love, but not this. Unapenda lakini si sahi. Okay.
Now, this woman is calling at check on YouTube. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube, please just subscribe. Subscription is just free if you have a bundle. It's Maka Mugenda, the same name I use on YouTube. Yamasi. I can love, but I can't trust. I can love, but I can't trust. I trust only one person, only one God. I can't trust anyone, Father. Love, but never trust. Yeah. I trust only God. This is the time now you're gonna dance. If you know how to dance, you have to dance. Nobody doesn't know how to dance. Open. These are five. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Episode. Come on. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Maria, they appreciate when you die. When you're alive, nobody cares. Yeah. Nobody cares. Nobody dollar. Cinda. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. When you die, my brother, they will talk. Yeah, they will talk. They will talk. They will talk. Yeah. They will create some WhatsApp group. When you are sick, yeah, nobody cares, Charlie. A person, nobody cares. When you die, they will care. Yeah. By that time they have money, they will contribute to your funeral. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Why? People will appreciate your goodies when you die. Why, my brother? When you are alive. Tony Daniel, ukiwa mzima, yeah. Ukiwa mgonjwa, hakuna mtu. Ukiwa mgonjwa, owino, hakuna simu. Ukikufa, yeah. They will form WhatsApp group. They will form, yeah. They will form WhatsApp group. People will appreciate your goodies when you die. When you die, my brother. When you are alive, my pa, yeah. My baba, my baba. When you are alive, yeah. Beauty lucky, nobody care. When you are suffer, nobody care. When you are suffer, Cindy, nobody care. When you are suffer, nobody care. When you are rich, yeah, they'll talk. Yeah, they will talk. You join Freemason, you are Illuminati, you worship the devil. Yeah, I don't wanna do please nobody. I don't have time to please nobody. Yeah, I will enjoy. I will enjoy. Yeah.
I better enjoy my brother. Yeah. Nobody care. Nobody care. Johnny era, Budo Bear, Johnny era. Yeah. You gonna dance, Ben? Nivani dance. Sophie dance. Bonventure OT. Amino, thank you so much. Big shot. Tony. Yeah, the song is called People Will Appreciate Your Good Deeds When You Die. Let me shift. I want to shift to the other side because of sunlight now. I want to shift, guys. Keep on watching. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry, guys, for those because of network. I think it's network. Yeah, guys, check on YouTube, subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda. We are continuing the vibe. Yeah, let's continue. Wanji. Amo. I zero batu. I'm totally confused. I'm totally confused. Record. I'm totally confused. I'm totally confused, my brother. Businessman. I'm totally confused. Oh. Let me. I'm totally confused, my brother. Abo. When I think about money, I'm totally confused. I'm totally confused, my lord. Ogasmo. I'm totally confused. Ogasmo. Hey, nyayala. Wololo, my money. Wololo, my money. Hello. They preach to us, telling us money is evil. The same man do not do us sadaka. Yeah. They preach to us, telling us money is evil. The same money we offer in churches. Why? Hey! Wololo, my money. Wololo, my money. Wololo, my money. Trust nobody, Baba. Trust nobody, Baba. When it comes to money, everyone is a criminal. Nobody can be trusted. Yeah. Trust nobody, Baba. Johnny Kimani. Trust nobody, Baba. When it comes to money, a person. Yeah. Trust nobody, Baba. Trust nobody. Kore. Koech Kirwa. Trust nobody, Baba. Sinda. Hello, money. Relationship is money. relationship is money. Everything is money. Six pack without money is like disability. Six pack without money is like disability. Yakisi. Yeah, Tony Daniel. Niko kila kona bwana. Six pack without money is like disability, my brother. Yeah, utanashati bila pesa ni kama ukilema, ni kama ukilema, ni kama ukilema. Tony, oh no no no. Yeah, trust nobody. Wallo. Now I want somebody to sing for now. This is the time now. Guys, I'm almost now ending the vibe. So I want someone to sing. If you have someone you love, vibe with your lover now. This is the time now, guys. You better subscribe. Thanks so much, Tony, bro. Thanks so much. May God bless you. Finest also in the vibe. I see, come on, Wayaki. You soy un hombre sincero. Yeah, Gaudi. David. De donde crecerá, alma. Muna. Pasó. Joey, yeah. Hello. A musician and rapper. Thank you so much, Tony Daniel. You soy un hombre sincero. Mwende, come to me, baby. Yeah. Oh no no, Mwende. Ha ha. Santo Chengo. Kihara, Ani, haha, where are you when they don't? Oh no no, Apaso, we gonna dance, we gonna corner, yeah. Colo dance, pique, colo dance. Mwende, mwende, yellow. Hello, Steve Mallorca. Oh no, a crema. Go down low. Hello, go down, Nasha. Go down low. Ha ha. We gonna corner. Yeah, we gonna zombie. When you come, when they hello. Let me tell you, Johnny. Ha ha. I wanna take when they do Kisumo. Yeah. When they have you been in Kisumo? Yeah. Hi, Rico. Lucy. I see Joy, that's Queen York morning. When they, I got Yaki, yeah. Yaki, yeah. Tonashi, hello. Yaki Benjakini, Tonashi. Have you seen Mwende? Yeah, I'm gonna spoil you like a wolf. Haha, Tonashi, Leone. Can you dance? Go down. Tonashi, Jackie, go down. Go down low, go down high, yeah. Woi, ha ha. Yeah, Zire, Susan Kamau Lele, Leoness Lele, ha ha. Go down, yeah, go down. Check what mama gave you, Jackie. When they, yeah. Kulawaya, ha ha. We gonna kill me, hey, Omera, kill me with the gift, Omera. Keep on watching, guys. Rush. This is Maka Mugenda. Check on YouTube, guys. For those who are watching, it's Maka Mugenda. Person, thank you so much. Person, I don't know how to appreciate you. Wow. Ongeza mwendo ka sweet, Omera, engineer. Ah. Yeah. Leoness. Now kill me with the gift, guys. Start up the screen. Yeah, right now. Engineer said Ugo. Yeah. Buju. Yeah. Buju. Engineer ni lala kule bwana. Buju. Yeah. Niyo ominji. Yeah. Ayelele. Chamudun. Lisamso. Yeah. Buju. A person from United. Buju, a person. Have you seen when they a person? Yeah, lele. Kulenga mwende, haja kulenga mwende. Omera, mwende is my best fan. Buju, yeah. Mwende tunampeleka Kisumu ya. Kwani utaki mwende akule ngege? Halo? Engineer tumulungia. Yeah. Are you getting? Engineer tumulungi. Yeah, I Buju. Ha, engineer number one. Johnny Visiona. Johnny, yeah. Ha ha, Johnny, money. Johnny, yeah. This is a happy room. Happy room is in your titty. Hey! If you are here and you are not happy, bro, I don't know, you are in the wrong place. Hola! Jackie, hello! Jackie, I got to. I need somebody. Yeah! I need somebody. I need somebody. I wanna take Kisumu. Omingi. I need somebody. I wanna take Kisumu. Hello. Akulengege. Hey, akulengege. Aone Jonyola. Yeah. A person you better see my Janual. Do you know Janual? Janual is my parent. Yeah, akulengege. Yeah. Omera anaga misumba. Ema wundu guaunda. Hey. Wachumon okadwa. Nego Samsonu yodo dalila. Ha ha. Kwani ananga. Yeah. Toquelo more. Yeah. Are you ready? Music bring happiness. happiness, mwende happiness, happiness. A paso. I need a paso now to shake. Go down, go down, go down. Yeah, we gonna bang bang. Yeah, we gonna zambe. MC Gucci. Yeah. If you love somebody, if you love somebody, if you love somebody, you better call her Atotina, General Kush. Atotina, Atotina, Amamana, Paulo, Amamanani, 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 Amama, yeah, Tony Daniela, are you able to need me? How man, yeah, Lingua, thank you so much, God, keep on watching. Check on YouTube, subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, Maka Mugenda. Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Yeah, there's a vibe, guys. Morning vibe. You have to start your day with the vibe, guys. Today, I'll be streaming Ngwelnawaya Okumba Kakreri. Hey, mana mwende. Yeah. Michael, yeah, big up Tony, my a paso lele, gonna my manyo utajua heartbreak. Lazima kuwe na moyo ya heartbreak. Umejua Jaluo? Yeah, Tony mwambie mwende. Are you ready for heartbreak? Kisha na kuita Jaber. Ai atoto rambanya anyamaro. Yeah. If you want to date a Luo, you have to be ready for heartbreak. Yeah. I see wildflower. My ungalo gono maya nyango timbe. Mimi ni muganga mkuu. Mimi ni naroga ngoma. Yeah. Mimi ni muganga mkuu. I'm witch of music. Ha ha. Yeah. If I say you come in front, bang bang. Yeah. Well. Yeah. If I say you come in front, yeah, to dance with me, and I tell you to sing, oh, oh, after nine. If I say stop to sing, clap your hand, papa, you my zombie, oh, oh, of the night. Let me see you on the floor. Do your jeep with the lava going down, down on the floor. 2 steps to the right, 1 step to the front. Yeah, my El God. If I say bang bang, yeah, bang bang. If I say Sinda bang bang, ha ha, bang bang. If I say a person bang bang, yeah. If I say you gonna shake, Mose, shake shake, hello, shake shake, cha, hello, why bang, why bang, why bang, yeah. If I say why bang bang bang, bang bang, iwaya, bang bang, wapa, bang bang, wapa, hey. Mimi ni naroga ngoma, yeah. If I say you gonna clap, ah, you gonna clap. If I say you gonna smile, hey, hey, hey. If I say bang bang, you gonna bang bang. Yeah, langata bang bang. Yawasina bang bang. Yeah, yeah. Mwangi Mwangi Kenya One my langa. Yeah, master. If I say balo, balo, kebo, balo, waya, balo, yeah, waya, balo, yeah, balo, yamawani, balo, muranga, balo, yeah, apason balo, ha ha, balo, my way, balo, one my anyamodime, yeah. If I say Mwangi dance, if I say bang bang, eh, bang bang, ha, bang bang, where's Mwende, bang bang, ha ha. If I say, eh, you gonna shake what Mama gave you. My Ogalo. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep on watching this Makamugenda. Subscribe on YouTube. Langat. I see Master Langat. Jeffy. Slow music. You better start your day with a special vibe with Makamugenda. Yeah, name is a very unique, but forget about the name. Concentrate, MP Ugunja. Concentrate in content. Yeah. Concentrate in instrument. Forget about the owner of the instrument. Hello, Korea, Hakim. Now this is the time you gonna dance. You gonna shake what Mama gave you, because this is a morning vibe. Mambo VP. Mambo power, power. Ah, person, where are you? Yeah, this is a very nice sound. When I say Mambo VP, Mambo power, it's something like I say, how are you there? It's so fine, fine. Yeah, there's an English translation. Do you understand? Gore. I wake up in the morning, Makale. I wake up in the morning, Makale. Kill me with a gig. Yeah, Catherine, Ayeko. Kore. Uyega kore. Ayeko manogi mi winjo boana. You understand the Luo mera? Yeah. Kulawa. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I say hi to my God. I say hi to my God. Yeah. I have somebody can. Hello. Kulango. Galagood. Yeah. Galagood. I see someone who is good also there. There's a beautiful lady here. Are you getting there? Galagood. Yeah. Subscribe and watch, because we are fighting for watch hour. Galagood. Gaddafi. Kore, tanta. Why there? Viviano. Oh, Viviano. Oh, Apasone. Ha ha. Tony, you are a rapper. Yeah. You can send your request. I want you to rap with this beat. Tony. You say you are a rapper. I want you to rap with this. Please send your request. Send right now. Yeah. Kore. Mama Betty. Tony, send. Kore. Yeah. say we gonna Tony, I'm waiting for you, please. Are you ready? I want you to sing for a person one song, man, with the beat. Go down low, 2 step to the right, 1 step to the front. Yeah, Omingi, watch na weri baba. Bang matawe, I don't need that kade. Yeah, kore, woda sumbi, kore. Ninera vera matin, oka odayo moro. Yeah, uluongo chiege, pinyu bendo iya. Sani jodi manyo pesa, okrang ni nuango nadi, yawa kimaduga woro pesa hono. Hey, are you ready? Money gonna kill you. Money gonna kill. Kore, Nita. Yeah, I'm just trying to give you the vibe. This is a song. It's about the story of a young man who have decided to take a big, we call it a big sugar mommy, and she called that lady her wife. I say, this is my wife. Yeah, so we call it, it's something like it's bragging with a big wife, some big mama. Yeah, that's the meaning of Nera Veramoro. Sorry. Okay, let's continue with the vibe. Kill me now with the gift, guys. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel. A person, yeah. Gonna dance, gonna dance. Nida. Omingi, yeah. Omingi jakanya, kimbere budaga. Bet! Yeah! Canave. Yeah! Omingi jamigori. Tumulongo mingi. Are you ready? So right now, if you have someone you love, you better shake. If you are single, you better dance with the wall. Don't worry, you better dance with the wall. Shake your nyash, shake what mama gave you. Abeg, Shakim. Yeah. Odinya seme bede Buddha. Wololo, rai, wololo. Yeah. Wolawai. Doni. Hey, Omingi jamigori. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Check on YouTube, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Maka Mugenda. Yeah, Maka Mugenda, Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Put down your comment. Yeah, this is Maka Mugenda. Anaja Kamre Okumba. Okay, that's fine. Not bad, bro. It's not bad at all. Keep on watching, guys. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. For those who are watching, subscribe on my YouTube channel. This is Maka Mugenda. Yeah, we call it Morning Vibe, and that's the instrument I was playing is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is an low instrument from western part of Kenya. Yeah, so that's what is going on, guys. So I think that's the end of my vibe, guys. For those who are watching, Diani Washington, Biro Karango bwana Washington, golna gimoro gokinyi sana. Gimoro. Yeah, I see someone like Winter. Yeah. 07
07 20 15 9271. 0720 15 9271. I think you get the number. The guy who I was asking the number. 0720 15 9271. 20 15 9271. After that you have to write it down. Nione kama ni hiyo. Also in the vibe. Washington. Yeah, Mane and Baba. Wachane Baba. Yeah. I ain't gonna sing, I gonna bang, I ain't gonna sing, oh. I gonna sing, I gonna bang, I gonna sing, oh. Yeah. Washington, quiet. Jump, jump, yeah. Hey, don't teach computer. Your computer. Jump, Carabemiela. Kula waya, yeah. Wanuadi, Chamonda. Hello, Wanuadi, Chamongima. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. Check on YouTube, guys, for those who are watching. Yeah, this is Maka Mugenda. Maka with M-A-K space Mugenda. Just subscribe, watch, and let's see venye inakuwa. Subscribe, watch Maka Mugenda. Yeah. This is Maka Mugenda, guys. Right now, I think kumbe Tony Daniel Vera. I sing for Wasongo Juru Chile also. Yeah. And due to technique error. Okay. Hey Maka, I send you promise, just a little delay. We'll send you the promise, just a little delay. Okay. Okay, fine, sound good. One more time. Sunday news. Vodago, Bishaka, Beauty Secret, Juma Orwa, Don't you are Salome Mamola, yeah. Bet, I bet your moonlight. Massa also the vibe. Why Jansi? Ole. Ah, greedy like your Buddha. Yeah. Relax. Kina babale. Visto. Akina nas. John Sayoni. Antoni Baba Venenero. Ndengwa. Leonida. Kelvin. Nyakabi, haha, Wololo Nyakabi, yeah, Madame Boss Esther, Mizumazai, ah. Yawatum no Yuakaye, Amos, how are you? Amos, good morning. Jolia, Joyon, good morning. Great lucky. Ah, the valley. Bonibola. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for those who are watching. That's the end of my vibe today. Think that will be okay. I'm tired, nigga. No, come on, no, but the program is Wanna go see a pay? Okay. Thank you so much for those who watch today. That's the end of my vibe. It's called Maka Mugenda. Asante sana. Bless you. Have a nice time.